Welcome to stage 3 of our tutorial. We're going to be doing the knee touch, sliding knee touch. And it goes something like this. Knee touch, slide those hands from the mid area to your knees. Slide to the mid area, keeping shoulder blades on the floor.
So basically, you want to put you can lay back all the way, but I suggest just staying on your shoulder blades, sitting up on the shoulder blades,
Moving the shoulder blades up from the ground and back and forth.
palms by your waist, and just slide until you touch your knees, engaging those abs again. Always remembering to engage the abs. So slide and touch, slide and touch, slide and touch, crunching those abs.
Very easy. Try it out. Try and crunch those abs in the process. Make sure you're crunching those abs each time as you're going.